Are you facing the WhatsApp was not able to retrieve current privacy settings, please try again later error on your iPhone? This issue could be caused by a poor internet connection, a server glitch, or an app bug. But don't worry folks, in this advanced video I will show you how to solve the WhatsApp was not able to retrieve current privacy settings, please try again later error on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Try airplane mode on and off. After trying these basic things, if your issue is still alive, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up Settings, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you can't find the WhatsApp app here, next tap on WhatsApp, then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. But if you still have the same issue, then try the next solution. Solution 3. Update WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon from below. Type WhatsApp. If you see any updates available for WhatsApp, then update the app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then feel free to write them down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.